Hi, in this video I will provide a recipe that will not only taste well as help us get fabulous skin and dark shiny hair, plus provide a lot of energy to run through the day. Also, if you can wait till the end of the video, I will give the nutritional benefits and how long you can store. Here is a short channel trailer to help understand the kind of recipes I make in this channel. I will make a beautiful salad with okra, ladyfingers or bhendi as it is called in different regions. And I will use a wonderful dressing over that, which will also be based on vegetables and some fats, so that I get the energy that is needed for the day. Okra, ladyfingers, bhendi, as are the different names that are used in different regions, is a very helpful healthy vegetable. It has lots of fiber. It is supposed to help control type 2 diabetes. It is supposed to improve hypertension situation. It has got so many healthy benefits. I will also add few raisins just to make sure that the salad is tasty for me. Red bell peppers, or red capsicum as it is called in some places, is a very healthy vegetable that we are supposed to consume quite frequently. It has vitamin A, which will help your eyesight in a big way, and also help the night vision capability. Also, it helps burn calories, more calories. So if you are somebody looking to lose weight, then this is a very healthy vegetable that you should consume frequently. It has so much of vitamin C. It gives about 300% of the daily requirement on vitamin C alone. That means it builds the immunity in big way. It has quite a few antioxidants which help maintain the body in a very healthy way. In these times when we are so worried of coronavirus, it is very essential that we consume vegetables. If you are enjoying the video, can you please click on the like button? Cashews are very healthy fats. I enjoy them just for its taste alone. But apart from that, they provide so much energy in a healthy way that by eating a lot of cashews, you don't actually gain weight. Because your hunger is killed, you don't eat a lot of other general carbohydrates. My problem with the carbohydrates is that they digest pretty quickly. So even though you may feel fuller when you take a lot of carbohydrate based food, you become hungry again and then you tend to eat more later. And that's the issue. So if you are adding healthy fats in your diet, then you will eat less because you don't feel the hunger so often. Cashews therefore help lose weight. They have good amounts of vitamins that help to improve the blood circulation. The blood condition will be improved, eyesight will be improved, and here is the best part. I believe they make the hair shiny and healthier, darker. See if this can tempt you to take more cashews as well. So I am going to add some cashews in this recipe. Did you know that olive oil was called as liquid gold in the ancient times? It is such a beautiful item, such a beautiful ingredient to be added to our recipe. Olive oil helps the skin in a big way. It makes the skin healthier, shinier, smoother, softer. It helps the hair in a big way. It helps the nails in a big way. The benefits of olive oil cannot be listed exhaustively at all. There are so many benefits, and I like the wonderful flavor of olive oil by itself. So as long as olive oil's flavor is not contradicting with the other flavors in my recipe, I tend to include olive oil. Or conversely put, if my other flavors are not very strong, then I would include olive oil so that the recipe will become flavorful and wonderful to taste as well. So I am definitely adding some olive oil in this particular recipe. But just make sure that when you use the olive oil, you use only the virgin olive oil. This is the one which is the most flavorful and healthy. Although it's a bit expensive, but hey, we are not going to use very large quantities of olive oil like people do in fried foods. Salt is a taste enhancer, so it is beneficial to add salt. Now honestly, I don't like to add or consume a lot of salt, but then the fact remains that salt is something that helps get some deliciousness very easily. So I try to use healthy salts such as sea salt or Himalayan pink salt, and in a small quantity. And this is, as always, tasting time, exciting moments. I think I'm going to like it because there's a lot of dressing on this. I'm guessing the dressing should be dominating quite a bit of the overall taste. I think I'm going to like this. Plus, because of the slightly higher amount of processing in the high speed blender, the dressing had also become warm. So it's going to be enjoyable. Let me try it anyway. Very nice. Very nice. Because of the time I had taken to set up the shoot on, by the time I got to eat it, it's not warm at all. It had cooled down in the meantime. Plus it is also cloudy outside today and raining, so it's a bit cold outside, but it's very good, very tasty. Like I said, like I suspected, like I expected, the dressing is the most part of it. It brings a lot of taste, deliciousness to the overall salad. The crunch is provided by the fresh okra and overall the taste is quite interesting. Little bit sweet because of the raisins we have added, a little bit of hot spiciness because of the capsicum or bell pepper we have included, also a little bit of sweetness because it's a red bell pepper, and also a lot of taste, as always, is expected from olive oil and cashews it was there. I could have added a little more olive oil also, but right now it is fine. I'm not going to change it anymore. It's quite nice. I think this is something you should be able to consume pretty easily. Try it out. Make some healthy habits. Have at least one meal a day as a raw meal, and you will become healthier and you will be encouraged to do more. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell. Today I am going to show one recipe which will help you lose weight as also be very healthy. And here my wife is going to taste it and tell me whether they have come out well or not.
Hi, I'm here for testing time. Wow, very nice. Spicy and sour. Sweetness is also there. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.